मुनिया सर पे डाले है ये चुनिया क्यों, हाँ क्यों। हो सोनी सोनी सी कुड़ी नो मौज में रहने देना दुनिया क्यों। मीठी मीठी सी ये मुनिया सर पे डाले है ये चुनिया शानदार कुड़ी ये कर देगी कमाल। इसे सोनी सोनी सी कुड़ी नो मौज में रहने देना दे, हाँ नचने दे। आज लगाने दे ठुमके शानदार कुड़ी कर देगी कमाल। नचने दे, नचने दे, सारे फिक्र नचने दे, नचने दे।
महिला दिवस की आप सभी को बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। आज के कार्यक्रम की मुख्य अतिथि आदरणीय रानी मैडम, साहू मैडम, समस्त स्टाफ, प्रिय बच्चों, सबसे पहले तो धन्यवाद दो कि आपने महिलाओं को सम्मान देने के लिए दिवस मनाया। और नारी सशक्तिकरण जिंदाबाद, हम ये कहेंगे जोश से, नारी सशक्तिकरण जिंदाबाद। एक नारी सब पर भारी। और नारियों के सम्मान में तो बहुत कुछ कहा जा सकता है। मैं एक छोटी सी कविता पढ़ती हूँ। मैं नारी हूँ, हाँ मैं नारी हूँ, मुझे गर्व है कि मैं नारी हूँ। अबला नहीं सबला हूँ, शबनम नहीं शोला हूँ। सब कहते हैं तू पिंजरे की पंछी है, एक दिन उड़ जानी है। तू सारे परिवार की इज्जत है, बस इतनी तेरी कहानी है। मैं कहती हूँ नारी में संसार है, सिमटा है उसकी आगोश में। तू अपना दृष्टिकोण तो बदल, सुगंधित है वो इस बागवान में। नारी को पहचान उसी से तेरा अस्तित्व है, वो है तो तू है, वर्ण सारा जग वीरान है। नारी बिना जीवन सोच नहीं पाएगा, फिर भी यदि जीना पड़े तो तेरा वर्चस्व छिन जाएगा। हाँ मैं एक स्वतंत्र नारी हूँ, मुझे जरूरत नहीं किसी सहारे की, मुझे जरूरत नहीं किसी पतवार की। अपनी कश्ती पार लगाना है मुझे स्वयं आता है, चिंगारियों से टकराना मुझे भी आता है, कंधे से कंधा मिलाकर जीना मुझे भी आता है। नहीं आता तो बस उस सोच को अपनाना जो कहते हैं तेरा स्त्री होना अभिशाप है। मैं कहती हूँ अगर ये अभिशाप है तो ये अभिशाप बार बार मिले, हर जन्म में मुझे नारी होने का सम्मान मिले। हाँ मुझे गर्व है कि मैं नारी हूँ, मुझे गर्व क्यों न हो कि मैं नारी हूँ।
समझो जन्मी हो संपूर्ण जगत की, गौरव हो अपनी संस्कृति की, आहट हो स्वर्णिम आगत की। तुम्हें नया इतिहास देश का अपने कर्मों से रचना है। हैप्पी वुमेन्स डे।
Very good afternoon to you all. I am Charshi Sinha from class 9. Today I am here to give a speech on women's empowerment. The freedom to speak, express view and thought are different for men and women in our society. A man can speak up his mind, make his own decisions in life, whereas a woman has a limitation on her imagination as well. Women are not even allowed to imagine or aim higher in life because their role is only limited to cooking, cleaning and taking care of family. In a world where a woman is dominated by society, it has become vital to empower women. What exactly is women empowerment? When women empowerment are exactly authority to handle their personal, educational and professional life, giving equality in society, the ability to raise their voice against violence is the definition of women empowerment. In a country where God that are worshipped as female idol, and in the same country 1 out of 3 women has experienced physical violence at least once in a lifetime. Every human, whether is a male or female, should be treated equally at all times. Whereas women are treated others, sometimes due to cultural norms, women are not empowered like in India. The right to education is just for boy child. Women has given facilities and encouraged to study more. Their level of confidence will increase and also be aware of various topics. We might be turning into a digital era, but some parts of India is still living in different centuries because of child marriage, female infanticide, practice violence against women still exists. Women just need a pair of wings and they can fly high on their own way. Thank you. Happy Women's Day.
3.
If a woman are expected to do the same work as men,
We must teach them the same thing. Wishing you a very warm good afternoon to one and all. I am Snehashish of 11th Science and I am going to give a speech on Women's Day. We are here to celebrate the presence of women in society and to celebrate their achievements. We are here to celebrate International Women's Day. International Women's Day is celebrated on 8th March every year around the world. It is the day when women in our lives are recognized for their achievements in their respective fields, which could be an artist, a teacher, in healthcare or an administrative leader. As we all know, there are few countries where women are not given equal right, opportunities, and their only role is considered to take care of the houses. However, this needs to change because every woman deserves to shine and equal opportunities should be given to women as it's given to a man. For ages, men have had more privileges in every aspect of life in a society, which could be pay scale, social status or voting rights percentage. We are living in 21st century and the world is slowly moving towards the gender balance. It's moving towards equality or both men or women, which could include equal pay scale, social status and equal voting rights for women. This change is necessary and it is required around the world because we all are humans and equal opportunities and respect should be given to everyone. I want to conclude my speech by saying that International Women's Day is dedicated to celebrating the achievements of women in social, cultural and political fields. The day formed by women helps in bringing attention towards the forgotten women's rights. Thank you. Happy Women's Day.